having your kids help you cook dinner. If you have a garden, that's great. You can go out together, pick some ingredients. While they're helping you do that, you can let them smell it. Some kids think that oregano reminds them of pizza, so it's just really fun to see what they think it smells like. If you don't have a garden, that's okay too. You can take a trip to the grocery store and they can help you pick ingredients there. Here at Zoo School, we have our own garden, and some things in the garden we had growing were some rosemary, some dill, some kale, broccoli, and beets. If you don't know what to make with the ingredients you have, you can go on the internet and see what kind of recipe it gives you, or you can just make your own recipe and see how that goes. Miss Elena will give you some tips on what things you can allow them to do at the kitchen.
Yes, I know some parents are hesitant for them to have their child help you in the kitchen because of the safety reasons, but there are some tools that are safe for them to use, like a mortar and pestle to grind up ingredients, and we have the Curious Chef knives that have safe edges for them to use. So you can have your child help you with the spices, like pull the rosemary, put it in the mortar, and then put some dill, and they could just grab this and they just grind, use their hands, and then also they can pull some broccoli off and help you cut some. They just love using their tools.
Today we are going to be cooking some broccoli that we got from the garden. Miss Vicky cut it for us and it is just right. So first I'm gonna wash my hands. Get some soap. Let's turn that off first. Make sure you get in there. So much easier with the automatic. It is. Alright, that's very good. Okay, and now we're gonna rinse the broccoli. Okay, and let's see if I can rip off some of these. Awesome. Put these in the compost. Oh yeah. We've got the oven preheating to 450, and we've got a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. So next, how much oil, olive oil, do you think we should put in there? Probably about a tablespoon or two, just enough to get them all coated. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit. And we've actually got some everything bagel seasoning that I think we're gonna try on this. We also do just salt and pepper. Sprinkle that on there. And toss it there. Mix it all together. The seasoning smells so good. And then we will spread it out. And we're gonna put that in the oven for about 15-20 minutes. We'll probably stir it around halfway through. Alright, and then I'm gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. We'll give it a check then. Make sure all the sides get nice and cooked through. It smells so good. Yay! Back in for probably 5 more minutes, it looks like. They are done and they look so good. Yeah. I cannot wait to try them. We have to let them cool a little bit though. Oh my god, they smell so good. They smell so good.